Now, basic concept of biostatistics. Definition of population and sample. What is the population and what is the sample? And what is the difference between sample and populations? A population is a set of complete group of individuals with the measurement of interest to the researcher. For example, average income of household living in a Karachi. In this example, household living in the Karachi is the population. The median number of children in families living in the Karachi. In second example, families living in Karachi is the population. In third example, percentage of adults with diabetes in Pakistan. All diabetes adults of Pakistani population is our population. Sample. A sample is a subset of a population is called sample or a smaller manageable group selected from the population is called sample. For example, 200 adults with diabetes randomly selected from the population. Here the sample is 200 adults with diabetes. Thousands households in Karachi. The sample of household and the number of sample size is 1000. 385 families living in Karachi. Families 385 families is the sample. Note: a sample is usually selected such that it is representative of the population. Now we will discuss data and variable. What is the difference between data and variable? Variable. A characteristics about each individual element of a population or otherwise variable that can assume different values. For example, age, weight, height, marital status, and smoking habits, etc. Data. Data or information are the values of measurement or observation that can assume the different values or the sum of variables is called data. Parameter and statistics. What is the difference between parameter and statistics? Parameter. The characteristics of interest to the researcher in the population is called parameter. Statistics. The set of measurement in a sample may be summarized by the descriptive is called statistic. For example, to estimate the average household income in Pakistan, we take a sample which is a good representative of the entire population. The sample mean household income is a statistics and is an estimate of the average income of household. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.